Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Install Movie HD from your device's official app store and open it immediately. Once installed, allow storage and network permissions so the app can cache and stream files. If an update appears, install it now. Create or sign into your account and enable Cloud Sync to keep watch lists consistent across devices. Make sure to set basic playback quality in settings so the app downloads appropriate cache sizes. Doing this early prevents interruptions later. Once your account is set, configure playback quality and download limits to match your data plan and storage. Choose subtitle languages and font size so readability is consistent. Navigate the Browse tab and use filters like genre, year, and rating to find content quickly. When you find a title, tap Details to review bitrate and size, then add it to your watch list or start a download. Check the download screen to confirm progress and prioritize files. This keeps playback smooth and organized. To finish, play the movie and use on-screen controls to switch audio tracks, adjust subtitles, or jump chapters. Use offline mode for downloaded titles to avoid streaming delays. Manage storage proactively in settings by clearing cache and removing old downloads so the app stays responsive. If playback stalls or errors appear, restart the app first, confirm your network connection, then try re-downloading the file. If issues persist, check permissions and update the app. This sequence resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.